They key in to something with their humour, the silliness of it, the innocence of it, the joyfulness of it that I think isn't around now.
They had 28 million viewers in their Christmas special in 19...
How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you, and longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to.
That the world has been waiting for.
There she is! Let's go on fire!
Critics are calling it breathtaking, gripping from start to finish.
These games are gonna be different.
Brilliantly entertaining, 5 stars.
In 36 Grosvenor Gardens, and I just remember sinking into my chair with my head in my hands, because for somebody who had grown up in the Thatcher years, it was quite a massive event, and I think a lot of people